Hello everyone, I'm Keith.
I'm Kaye.
On my little Philipna. We're here at the Proud Bird Restaurant. I want to bring Kaye here for the first time to see this historic place.
Because this morning I was asking her where he was going to take me, but he said secret.
Secret surprise, that's right. She's never been here. I'd like to take a place she's never been. But anyway, take a look around. Just take a look around all these World War II planes. Look at them. These are planes that actually flew in World War II. And the person that opened this restaurant used to be a pilot. He used to be a pilot, a bombardier, and he decided to open a restaurant. And where he got these planes at is the plane they called the plane graveyard. And they showed him these old planes. He thought about opening a restaurant and bringing the planes here. The restaurant did go under renovation, but it's still, some of the basic places are still here. Here is a red-tail aircraft. This is the exact replica, exact plane that they flew in World War II. All-black Tuskegee Airmen Squadron. This is it right here. They better known as a red tail. If you haven't seen the movie Red Tails, go take a look at it. It gives you a complete history of the 99th, the 100th, 31st, 32nd Fighter Group. It was an all African-American fighter squadron that flew this aircraft. This is an area of the 99th Airplane Squadron, all Afro-American units. See, Kaye? You see them? Kaye's looking at this history. All Afro-Americans. All heroes. Heroes. They didn't think that these guys can learn to fly airplanes, and they were proven wrong. Proven wrong. These guys are great. And these are supposedly the last remaining ones. Some of them have passed on since then. But these are great pilots. Great World War II pilots, Kaye. That's right. That's all they do is take off and land here, Kaye. Me and Kaye are eating our lunch. I got salmon teriyaki. We got cheese pizza we're eating. Big chunk of cornbread and some chicken and waffle. Ain't that good, baby? Very masarap. This is a good day. Nice, sunny, a little breezy, but that's okay. I'm enjoying it. Masarap.
You don't want your chicken?
Masarap.
Huh? Oh. Oo naman.
That's an old World War II bomber right there. I hit the Proud Bird Restaurant. And over there's an old passenger plane they used to use back in the day. There's a Corset aircraft right over here, the Proud Bird Restaurant. And as we speak, there's a plane coming in for a landing. It's noisy. Here's another aircraft that's look at this one, Kaye. They used to fight in that. Aircraft as well. There's the Blue Angels. There's the Blue Angels aircraft, Kaye. What are you doing? Come on, come on, come on. That's the Proud Bird. nice place. Kaye wanted to take a picture by the aircraft. Another World War II aircraft. Look at it. Now she wants me to take a picture of her sitting in a chair on the green grass. Looks like a golf course. Are you having a good time?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Talaga?
Yes.
Alright, that's great. I am too. Well, this is the Proud Bird restaurant me and Kaye ate at today. And we had such a great time. Whoa, look at this plane. I gotta get this plane coming in. It's another big aircraft. But anyway, we had a great time today at the Proud Bird. Did you, Kaye?
Of course. I've been taking a lot of pictures.
Yeah, it's good. Took a lot of pictures, and this is something I knew you would like. You've never been here before. It's such a beautiful place. It's right by the airport. The airport's right across the street. And you can sit out here and eat on the patio and watch all the planes go by from different countries, different type of aircraft and everything. It's a really good time. I knew you'd like it. But anyway, I think we'll just end this video and until the next video. So baby, I hope you had a good time.
Of course.
And I hope you guys like our video. We're gonna make more videos. We're gonna go different places, you know. And I can't wait to go back to Philippines,
Me
man.
too.
Okay. We're gonna do a lot of vlogging back there. So anyway, I hope you like the video. If you do, please subscribe
Down below.
Please help us out. And we'll see you on the next video.
Okay.
While in the Philippines. Bye.